Welcome to MENA MedTech Insights. Last week, the Saudi Food and Drug Authority, or SFDA, issued unexpected clarifications aimed at aggressively localizing the kingdom's medical device industry. This move is sending ripples through the global medtech community. For years, market access in Saudi Arabia was relatively straightforward for established international companies. However, these new directives are a clear signal that the rules of the game are changing fast. The SFDA's clarifications now strongly favor medical devices that have some component of local manufacturing or assembly. This aligns directly with Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030, which aims to build a robust domestic healthcare ecosystem and reduce reliance on imports. So what does this mean in practice? It appears the SFDA will now prioritize locally produced medtech in massive government tenders. International firms are now facing a critical strategic choice. They must either invest in local production facilities or establish joint ventures with Saudi partners. Consider the case of a European manufacturer of diagnostic imaging equipment. Their entire business model was based on direct importation and sales through a local distributor. Now, they are at risk of being locked out of their most lucrative market segment, the public hospital system. They must quickly explore options for in-country assembly of certain components. This involves complex decisions about technology transfer, quality assurance, and protecting their intellectual property, all on an accelerated timeline. This is more than just a regulatory hurdle. It is a fundamental market shift. Companies that view this as a bureaucratic problem will lose ground. But companies that see it as a strategic opportunity can secure a powerful long-term advantage. By investing in the local Saudi ecosystem, they not only ensure compliance, but also build deeper relationships with healthcare providers and regulatory bodies. They become an integral part of the nation's healthcare infrastructure, not just an external supplier. This move by the SFDA is a test of commitment. It separates the transient players from the long-term partners. The companies that adapt and invest will cement their position in one of the Middle East's most important markets for years to come. Navigating these complex and sudden shifts requires specialized expertise. For guidance on local representation and regulatory strategy in markets like Saudi Arabia, you can email or visit Pure Global.